work at CAM under the consulting department. I run business information and market development activities for our members here at CAM. We have various programs that we have for the members. These programs are important for the members and the manufacturing sector at large because they help the members become competitive in their activities. The first way is through productivity courses and programs where we help members become efficient in their undertakings or operation by building manufacturing excellence. So we do this through Kaizen activities. We also have Industry 4.0 programs to help members or support members in their transition to smart factory setups and automation and robotics. We also have programs to promote international market. We also do local trade promotion, and we do that mostly through our flagship event called or dubbed the Changamka Shopping Festival.